Hey guys, welcome back to another FL preset video. Today, I'm going to be covering the preset of REXV2 Gemini. Now, if you don't know that song, here it is right here on the screen.
I did this, I jump up. That shit don't mean no. I got rich, I'm counting dumb. Flex that bitch, Draco jump. They love wrestling, make them jump. You can't spend bad bitches, you dumb. You can't spend bad bitches, you drunk.
Today, I'm going to be covering the main preset and the ad-lib preset. So let's go and get into this video. The first preset that we're going to be covering is the rec and the main. So let's go and get into it. I think this whole jump fuck with me, that shit don't mean nothing. I got rich, I'm kinda dumb. Fat big Draco drunk. That love wrestling make them drunk. You can't spend bad bitches, you dumb. Can't spend bad bitches, you drunk. I'm with two bad bitches, they tryna fuck. And she tryna got little bitch tryna swing. Keep on that little shit in my cup. Shit in my drink looking like mine. Alright, so now that we covered the main and the rec preset, let's go and get into the ad-lib preset. Alright, so now that we covered the ad-lib preset too, now I'm gonna show you the vocals without the preset on at all. Let's go and get into it. I think this whole jump fuck with me, that shit don't mean nothing. I got rich, I'm kinda dumb. Fat big Draco drunk. That love wrestling make them jump. You can't spend bad bitches, you dumb. Can't spend bad bitches, you drunk. I'm with two babies, they tryna fuck. And she tryna got little bitch tryna swing. Keep on that little shit in my cup. That shit in my drink looking like mud. I don't know shit about wrist, no hand. Don't nigga niggas, that shit what it was. Sending no shots, I ain't sending no love. I put my two move my cuz. My fucking Gemini, just because we make a nigga fly. Kill dub, my upper 25. With these hoes got a line up 25. Tryna diss on no love and that nigga die. Alright, so now that I covered the raw vocals, now we're gonna show the ad-libs without effects on at all. Let's go and get into it. Yeah. Alright, now that I showed you the raw vocals on both of them, now I'm gonna show y'all the final product. But before I do that, thank you so much for tapping in. I love you guys so much. Like and subscribe. Anyways, here's the final product, bro. Yeah. I think this whole jump fuck with me, that shit don't mean nothing. I got rich, I'm kinda dumb. Fat big Draco drunk. That love wrestling make them drunk. You can't spend bad bitches, you dumb. Can't spend bad bitches, you drunk. I'm with two babies, they tryna fuck. And she tryna got little bitch tryna swing. Keep on that little shit in my cup. Shit in my drink looking like mud. I don't know shit about wrist, no hand. Don't nigga niggas, that shit what it was. Sending no shots, I ain't sending no love. I put my two move my cuz. My fucking Gemini, just because we make a nigga fly. Kill dub, my upper 25. With these hoes got a line up 25. Tryna diss on no love and that nigga die. Since he wanna go live, we gon' get him live. Put the foul